Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to rotate a video in Capcut PC. We start by entering our Capcut project where we have the video we want to modify. Next, we will go to the toolbar above the timeline and we will see various icons. Here we will click on the one called Rotate. After that, we will see that our video rotates every time we click. Once we have our video rotated and adjusted as we want, we can export it with the settings we like. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.